Okay, so yes, you saw the intro. It is a Corpse Bride makeup for Halloween and I'm so excited. I'm going to show you a few of the inspo pics that I came across. So yeah, I came across this image on Google which I thought was really cool. If you can see there, if you can see that. So I thought that was really cool, and you know what, I love the Corpse Bride. I've never met anyone who doesn't like the Corpse Bride film, so I just thought, you know what, this is gonna be cool. I'm actually gonna do it. And I've got my makeup here. So I ordered this from Beauty Bay and it is the Meron makeup. I don't know if I'm saying that right, sorry. And but I've seen a lot of people use this brand. Now I couldn't afford the massive palette because it's like over £100 and that's a lot of money to me. So what I did was I went onto Beauty Bay and the only one they had was this one, and you know what, it had all the colours that I really need. I need white, black, I need the blues, so that's all I needed for this look. So, and the purpley as well. So I was really happy with that. I can't remember how much this was. I think it was affordable. It was roughly like 20 to 40 maybe. Okay, so I'm looking at the photo and I feel like I'm gonna kind of make it my own as well. So I'm kind of getting the main cool parts from this and then I'll kind of do it my own style. So I really like if you can see, I really like the neck, how they've kind of blacked the side of the neck out and then done a blue neck and then how it goes into the chest. So that's what I'm going to start off with. I think I just need something like that to really frame it out. But yeah, let's just do that. I don't really know what to expect, but I'm super excited. Okay, so I don't know if I'm being like an absolute idiot, but the Fix Plus isn't working and I think it's because it dries and I don't know. So I've got like a glass of water. This is my first time, okay? Just don't judge me. Oh, that's a lot better. That's much better. So I got a brush and we got it on. Okay, so yeah, here we go. Don't use Fix Plus, use water. This is totally working now. I think I'm going to use now a sponge to blend this out. Okay, this is going all down to my titties. Now I don't want it to like, I'll kind of blend it into my arm, but I obviously don't want to be covered in blue. Just because I don't want it to be too much, I want it to just kind of, I want it to kind of blend into my skin. So let's do that. I want it to look kind of like veiny, and that kind of looks veiny. I'm kind of doing it. Your gal's on it. Now what? Let's go in with the black. We're going to pop a brush in the water and go in with the black. It's very exciting. I'm not going to take it too far back because I'm going to have my wig, so bear with me. Bear with me. So I'm going to go in with that blue and I'm just going to cover my whole face. Oh my god, this is so cool! Okay, so what I'm doing, look, I'll show you. So I've got a beauty blender and I've got some water and I'm just mixing the both and then it's going on my facey face. Okay, now that you are blue, I am loving it. I'm now going to get the black and I'm just going to, in fact, I'm going to get a smaller brush. I'm just going to, yeah, create like a skinnier face. Okay, now I'm in two minds about using the white in the palette, but I feel like it might take it off, like I just don't know if it will blend. So I'm actually going to go in with a concealer. You can use any concealer you want. I've got the Revolution Conceal and Define and I'm actually going to use some of this. Let's see if it works. That kind of worked. Decent! Okay, I'll do the other eye. Might do a little bit on my chin. And put a little bit on my forehead. Now let's go into contouring the dark parts. So I have actually got a darker blue in here, so I'm going to take a brush because that contour brush is actually really working, and I'm just going to dab it in. So I'm going to take a little bit of water, a little drop of water, pop it into the blue and hope I've made a mess already, and yeah, hope for the best. Then once you're done with that, I'm just taking that blue and creating a line just so it's like a sharper contour, and then just blend that in. I'm going to take the Revolution Pro, and it is the Trends Azure palette, and I'm just going to go in with that dark blue there called Ocean, and I'm just going to pop that where we've put that dark blue just so we can blend it in better. And I'm just going to take that eyeshadow and I'm just going to take it down so it gives the illusion that I've got a really thin face, and then just blend it out. Take that blue again, and I'm just going to just blend it at the top of my head just to add some more texture, and I'm like, some more texture and some more kind of definition, is that the right word? Then I'm going to contour my nose, so we're going to make a really skinny nose, a really thin nose. Okay, I'm now going to take that Beauty Big Bang eyeliner, the one that I raved about in my last Halloween music video, in my last Halloween makeup video, and I'm just going to create little black triangles just to create like that I've got like a dead nose. I don't know how else to say it. If you feel like you've messed up, this palette comes with a very small detailed brush, so I'm just going to take the blue, and as you can see I'm just going to go in and just sharpen up the nostril parts I just did. Kind of look like at the moment like a mermaid deer. It will change hopefully once we go into the eyes, and yeah, so she has got very small eyes. I haven't got any contacts. I probably should have thought about that, but didn't. But I will do my best to like see what I can do. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep going. I don't know, she hasn't really got any broken parts on her head, so I am just gonna create little kind of just little black marks because she hasn't really got a proper hole in her head. So yeah, I'm just gonna create little black marks and see how we get on. So yeah, just kind of mess it up a bit. I'm gonna get a smaller brush and I'm gonna go in with the black, and very faintly I'm going to create just kind of a little messy black kind of hole bit. So let's just create a little smudgy black bit on the forehead, and then using a detailed eyeliner I'm just going to create little kind of, what's the word, cracks from this. Okay, so I'm now going to blend in a few little blacks and things like that, just so it all kind of blends in. A few little, just kind of, I guess, kind of bruises. Okay, now that you've played about and created a few marks on the forehead, I'm now going to go in with the white on the palette, and I'm going to create a not as big as the Broken Doll one I did in my previous video. If you haven't seen that, go and have a look. It's in the description below, I've popped the link there. I'm just going to create a smaller white part under my eye just to make my eyes look a bit bigger, and do some eyelashes, do some black eyebrows, and then yeah, we'll go from there. I need to define and play about with details in my chest, and yeah. I'm now going to go in with the blue on my face, and I'm just going to underline that. I'm now going to do some eyelashes, so I'm going to take that eyeliner and I'm going to create some more. I'm going to do more, not so much lots of little ones, I'm going to do more kind of big individual ones. Now for the top of my eye, so on my eyelid, I'm going to wet my finger and just pop it into that white, and I'm actually just going to use my finger and pop it all over my eyelid. So I'm going to go in with that detailed brush, pop it in some water, and I'm going to get it into that colour, the one that I've done all over my face, just to neaten up that a little bit. And then we're going to really start blending in some dark blues, and go from there. Okay, so I'm now going to get that dark blue again in that Revolution palette. I'm going to pop a brush in there and I'm going to blend into my crease that dark blue. And we're going to blend it and match it with my nose. Now that that's blended, I'm kind of getting Avatar vibes. Take that blue again, I'm going to pop a little detailed brush onto there, and I'm just going to pop that under my eye. I'm going to go in with some black, and I'm going to add the black just on the corner of my eye, just so it's darker. Now with my eyebrows, I am just going to take some of that face paint we have used, and I'm going to get the blue and I'm just going to cover my eyebrows with that blue just so it's blended, and then we'll go in with some black eyebrows. I'm going to use that eyeliner again, and I'm just going to do my eyebrows. Her eyebrows actually look quite sad, they kind of go up in the corner here, so that's what I'm going to do. So that is one eyebrow. Doesn't matter if the eyelashes are messy, because she's like dead, you know, so you can be as messy as you want. I'm now going to do a big eyeliner on the eye. Okay, I'm now going to add mascara and the lashes. I'm going to be using the Jolly Beauty lashes, and they are all synthetic. The ones I'm using are called Isabel, so we're going to go in with those, and yeah. Okay guys, so I just popped on the lashes, and I've just popped a little bit more eyeshadow in here just to create the under eye bag look. And now we're going to do a little bit of highlighter, do my lips, and then we'll focus on the chest area, and then put on the wig and see what I look like. I kind of look like a deer at the moment with my nose. Let's hope that changes. I'm just going to get a brush, and I'm just going to pop it in Infinity, and I'm just going to pop some of that on my nose. Onto my sad looking eyebrow. This is the Extra Spice Soap palette, by the way, by Revolution, and I'm just going to pop some of that just on here just to highlight that area. I'm going to do the lips. Now the girl in the photograph has like hot pink lips, but the original photograph of the Corpse Bride has got kind of like a dark purple, and I've got this shade from Revolution, and it is cool, and it is the shade Semblance. I've done the lips. I'm now going to focus on the kind of skeletal part of the neck and my collarbone area. So we are going to grab some of that dark blue, that Revolution palette. I'm going to get Ocean. I'm going to get a brush, and I'm just going to, yeah, see like the little bit of a skeletal neck. I'll focus on my collarbone and blend that in. going to grab some of that infinity and I'm just going to highlight with a little bit of glitter. Okay, now before I do any more, I'm going to pop the wig on and see what it looks like, and then we will do a few little bits just to finish it off. But I'm excited to put the wig on because I think it will like really change it. So I've got this blue wig. Now I got it years ago. I think I got it from eBay. And yeah, it's just a synthetic blue wig, but girls and boys, you get a lot of hair and it is pretty amazing. This is really the only wig that I have it that is kind of relatable to the Corpse Bride, so bear with me. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. It really changes when you put the wig on, and then this is just like a cheap veil I got from Home Bargains. You can get really cheap ones on eBay. It just finishes the look really well, and yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed that video. I had so much fun creating this look, and yeah, it really wasn't that hard to do. It was pretty straightforward, as you could see. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so you know when I'm going to post, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!